Hello friends, good evening. Today's topic is safety deficit. The Kozhikode air crash shows that there can be no compromise on airport infrastructure. Means because of this air crash, there could be no compromise on airport infrastructure. The tragic crash of an Air Indian Express Vande Bharat relief flight in Kozhikode, in which 18 people, including 2 crew members, lost their lives and many were left severely injured. Means it is saying that because of this tragic air crash in Air Indian Express Vande Bharat in Kozhikode, 18 people including 2 crew members, means 20 people lost their lives, and several members are injured severely. Several members are injured severely is a forceful reminder that there are no acceptable risk in aviation. Means it is saying that this risk could be not taken in future. Although an even bigger disaster was averted by the absence of fire in the aircraft, the crash snuffed out the lives of many returning home from Dubai after a long separation from loved ones in pandemic. Means it is saying that because of this is a bigger disaster. This is a bigger disaster because of the absence of fire in aircraft. Means there is no fire, means sometimes it may catch fire. So in this case there is it did not caught fire. So some of the people were saved who are returning home from Dubai. Means they are going back to their home. So some of the people saved their lives because of no fire in it. Many Indians could not quickly return home from countries where they were employed, studying or traveling, although they desperately sought flight back home since March. Means many Indians could not quickly, means they could not quickly return back to their countries. Means to their countries when they means for means they went for employment, who went for employment, studying or traveling. After so many months they are returning back. While they are returning back, this air crash was taken place. For those who took the long awaited trip on August 7th, it ended in disaster. Who took a trip on August 7th, it ended as a disaster. There are clear pointers to the dangerous nature of flight operations at Kozhikode Airport in the midst of the strong monsoon. Means there are some pointers to the means there will be a specific point for any dangerous thing, right? So it has crossed that dangerous nature. So because of that, flight operations at the Kozhikode Airport in the midst, means as there is it is a strong monsoon. So because of this dangerous crossing of this dangerous point caused the air crash. Even with the availability of an instrument landing system for the tabletop runway curved into undulating terrain. Means it is saying that there are also some instruments to land that flight, but because of some reasons it has not landed properly and it has crashed. There are problems with visibility, a far shorter safety area at the runway, and then optimal and the absence of a arrestor system that could stop on overshooting plane from falling off the edge. Means there are some systems in the flight which can stop it automatically while it was going to fall, as it happened with this aircraft. Means those systems were not working properly, so it has crashed. This flight has crashed. Which of these factors along with the monsoon impact led to the disaster will become clear with professional investigations. Means in this monsoon season, means it will be so rainy, right? So the image will be not clear because of this heavy monsoon. There are some impacts due to this monsoon, and it can be detailed in further investigations. The Civil Aviation Ministry should make a full disclosure on the technical evidence gathered, the integrity of which be securized by safety organization worldwide. Means because of this air crash, so many people has lost their life. Nearly 20 people has lost their lives. So this Civil Aviation Ministry took a serious action. Means it is taking a serious action that every flight should be checked while starting it, so these air crashes may not occur in future. Apparently anxiously to project an image of normalcy, the ministry allowed the airport to restart flights in a day. Means because of this, means if there is any air crash in a day, so the ministry will not allow to will allow other flights to move on that day, but it has allowed the flights on August 7th, because while the accident's cause was yet to be accelerated. Means these can be investigated. Means why they has sent, means so many people are waiting for a flight from so many months. Since 2-3 months they are waiting because of this lockdown. There are no flights, right? So many people are waiting, so they has launched the flights on that day, August 7th. If rainy conditions exist during the landing, a Civil Aviation Ministry Hardeep Singh Puri has said these many priests during the rest of monsoon. If there is any rain during that landing, means due to this rain, this while landing there was rain, it is raining, so it has crashed. But from now it is saying that why, if there is any if there is it is raining, if the flight should land at that place, this Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said this may precede during the rest of monsoon. Each flight must therefore be considered for a potential diversion to be safe airport nearby in a bad weather. Means if it is so cloudy, these flights should be not allowed to go. These should be not allowed to go in a bad weather. Significantly, the admission by DGCA that the key recommendation for runway existence at Kozhikode made almost a decade ago not possible due to land equiptions issues. Means these means these rules are not taken in past means in past days. Because of this air crash, this new rules were coming. The instance of the Air Indian Express plane suffering a tail strike in the same airport last year should have led to full assumption following up the recommendations made from 2010 crash in Mangalore. In 2010, this this crash was happened, not like similar to this. In 2010, a crash was happened. Since the visible cause of Friday's crash was an overshoot, the runway continues to pose a threat. Means it is saying that the runway may continues the pose of threat, means it may not allow the flights while it is danger. Means like it when it was raining or it was so cloudy. Now let us discuss some meanings from this paragraph. Averted means prevent, stop, avoid. Means preventing before before something is happening, or avoid. Snuffed means put out means stopping it. Sought means attempt to find something means trying to find something, or ask for means asking for something. Undulating means having a wave surface or edge, means at the last position. Terrain means land means the way we are walking. Arrestor means a device or person which prevents or stops a specific thing. Means a person or thing which can stop a specific thing before it is happening. Overshoot means to go further or do more than necessary or expected. Means doing something more than we expected or necessary. Next, belie means fail to give a true impression, or debunk means fail to give a true impression, means he has given a wrong statement. Next, devastating means destructive. Aggravative means make a situation worse, or make a situation worse means doing it so badly. Skidding means slide on a slippery ground. Means skidding means for example, if there is oil on the ground, if you walk on it, will skid, right? So it will be somewhat slippery. Ominous means threatening, or sinister means evil, means somewhat dangerous. Devastating means destructive. Incorporate means include. Means include means bringing something into our topics. Next, transumatic means disturbing or shocking. Means disturbing or shocking means disturbing someone. Terrain means land or ground. Apparently means evidently, means suddenly. Accelerated means discover or find out for certain, means finding out for a certain, means for a certain reason they have found it, like that. Next, upend means turn upside down. Means upside down means the upper part will be down and the downer part will be up. Means upside down means some of the people will do yoga, right? Their head will be down and their legs will be up, like that. Thank you.